What's up, YouTube? Bro, feel like I haven't been filming in a minute, but we're back today. About to film some. Bro, you saw that dude up there, bro, cutting up in that with that truck with the trailer on the back of it, bro. That's just crazy. But today we're just doing a little day in the life, I guess. We're about to go take some flicks of the car to post on TikTok and Instagram later. But there's mad traffic, bro. But yeah, I'm trying to see what we can get into. Probably do a little POV drive so you guys could enjoy how the car sounds. Hold on, let me roll the windows down a little bit. Boy, you hear that turbo spooling? That shit sounds way too saucy, bruh. Way too saucy. But yeah, I was playing some music, didn't want to get copyrighted, but yeah, bro, I be saying but a lot. I need to chill out. But we in the M340, as you guys can tell. Trying to beat this traffic to get to this spot that I know that's beautiful. I'll show you guys when we get there, but you guys can stay for the meantime and listen to the car and how it sounds. Inside is super droney though, you can hear everything. Sheesh. Damn boy, that shit sounding nice. Ain't nobody want this smoke, bruh. Hear that turbo, boy? Yo, there's something that came up on my dash, bro. I want you guys to try to figure it out for me, because I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I have a battery malfunction on the car. I'll show you guys the codes that come up on the screen when I'm like stopped. But it's just wild, bro. I saw that shit like 2 days ago, bro. I'm like, hopefully it doesn't mess with how the car performs. But I'll see what's up, because I'm not sure if it will mess with it or not. There's a BMW right behind me. That boy's slow. Yeah, we're gonna try to get into more vlogging. Try to do more day in the life, even when I go to car meets or races. It's just that I don't know what to film, bro. I'm not a YouTuber, bro. And YouTube stuff is new to me. You guys gotta help me out to tell me what content you guys want to see, like what I should be posting, because I'm not sure. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get into that YouTuber spirit. Saucy. That map to go crazy, boy. Bro, sometimes, bro, I don't even want to talk, bro. I just want you guys to hear the car. All the downshifts and the upshifts sounds amazing. Just listen to that turbo spool, bro. tell me, bro, anyone that owns a car like this wouldn't want to drive it every day, bro. But unfortunately, I don't. Sometimes I be parked. Sometimes it's parked up. Oh, listen to that downshift, bro. Damn. Yeah, boy, that shit's spicy. Bro, what's all this traffic? All this traffic for no reason, bro. Everyone's just driving mad slow. And I know, bro, you know what upsets me, bro? You got all these people driving mad slow, and then when you look up all the way up the road, bro, there's like no one there. They just want to drive slow for no reason. Anyways, we're almost at the spot, guys. About to see. Hopefully there's no one there, because it's a beautiful spot to take photos, videos, all that. Luckily, I live in the area where all the nice spots are close by me, so I don't have to drive too far. Bro, we got a police station right there. Right over there, bro. We got the cops. We got the cops on that side, but we don't care about that because we're not breaking the law, you know what I'm saying? Damn, now we gotta be stuck at this stoplight. Hopefully it doesn't take long to change. That's one thing with some of these lights in New Jersey, bro. They take forever to turn green. I was gonna do a hit, but there's too many cars in front of me. Don't really want to risk it, because I'm not sure if the person in front of me can drive, bro. They see something fast coming. Bro, we're here. I forgot to film to let you guys know where we're going, but we finally made it. I'm about to pull over here on the side because this is where I'll be taking a lot of photos and stuff, like right here on the side. Ain't gotta worry about no cops over here. I get illegal, bruh. But we're about to get out, show you guys the car right quick. Wait, look, I forgot to show you. So let me see, car. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then right here, vehicle status. And then, so right here, bro. I don't know if you guys can see that, because I can't even see that shit. But that shit says battery malfunction. Why? I don't understand that. Like, what's going on? Somebody got to try to figure out that shit for me, please. By the golf course, chilling. We got the car outside, bro. It's looking beautiful. Even though I haven't been driving it a lot, I just got it back like 2 weeks ago. The car is like finally finished, that everyone has been waiting on. It's like completely done. So I've been doing like a lot of hits lately since I got the car back, testing out the car to see if everything's good with it and all that type of stuff. But as you can see, we got still got the VORSTEINER wheels on the front, and we got the slicks in the rear. I'm glad it's nice out today too, like very beautiful, bro. I can actually rock on these, no problem. Only in the rain we got the issue, bruh. And then we got the back. It's looking spicy, looking nice. We about to take some flicks here and post them later on Instagram and TikTok, so you guys better check that out. Yeah, what the heck? Oh yeah, I got some brake stuff right here. Not brake, but the tire. The tire shedding on the back of the car. But if I'm about to do anything else, like a little bit more of a POV drive, I'll pick back up the camera and I'll start filming and let you guys know what I'll be doing. But for now, I'll just be taking pictures, so I'll catch you guys soon. Bro, I need ideas on what I should do with this car, bro, in videos, bro. You guys gotta help me out. I don't even be knowing what to film, bro. I sound congested right now because my allergy is like acting up right now. So I'll catch you guys soon.
2,000 years later.
Alright, we're back, guys. I was doing some shit, bro. That's why it took me so long to start the video again. I mean, for you guys, it's probably like 2 minutes or 1 minute or like a second cut, but like a second cut scene. But I don't really know what to film, bro. But I'll show you guys. Show you guys what I got inside. Now I have a bucket seat for that racing vibes. I mean, it's probably super dark, bro. It's super light out. I got, oh damn, bro, the door's locked. I had to put like a fire extinguisher. Bro, look at the back of this seat, bro. It's all, what you call it, what's that word that I'm looking for? Sparkly, like some girl shit. But I have my fire extinguisher in the back now. Damn, why is it so dark in here, bro? Hold on, let me take this off. Alright, there we go. Now I have the fire extinguisher for the back seat, mounted beautifully, just in case if you want to run to it. And then we got all this, the seat for the back of the car. But anyways, we're gonna go on our way home. This is a short video of just a preview of what's going on inside the car. That's all it is, and it is what it is. We're gonna be chilling, so that's all. I'll see you guys when I'm driving home. I would show you guys what's inside the engine bay, but I can't right now because I have too many eyes on me, so you guys have to wait for that until I'm ready to post it. But look how beautiful this car looks, bro. You guys already know this shit looks nice. But peace out, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. This is just like a lame video today, nothing too crazy. We'll be posting more soon on all the crazy stuff that we'll be doing to the car. Even more, try to get to Texas 2K this year, finish doing all that modifications and stuff like that. But you guys drop down in the comment section like recommendations of type of videos you guys would want to see.